Hi guys and welcome back. I'm Bharath and today we'll be taking a look at applying for your residence permit. Now there are other steps that you should have done before this, like your city registration and enrolling yourself at the university, and I made videos for them, links in the description box below. But for now, let's move on to applying for your residence permit and let's take a look at the things that you require for it. Los geht's! Application form filled and signed. This can be found on the StädteRegion Aachen website, which is linked in the description. Your passport, a biometric photograph of yourself, your enrollment certificate, which can be found on your university's online portal, health insurance certificate, which can also be found through your health insurance online portal, proof of funding. In the case of most international students, this is going to be the bank account statement, which is also known as a Kontoauszug in German. And you'll also need to pay your fee for your residence permit, which can be either paid by cash or with your debit card. Once you've got all your things ready, you'll have to make an appointment with the Ausländeраmt. And if you're a student at RWTH, you'll have to make an appointment with the Ausländeраmt at Super C. To make an appointment, just write an email to the following email address: info.ausländische.studenten@städteregion-aachen.de, stating your first name, family name, date of birth and purpose of appointment, application of residence permit or extension of residence permit for example, and attach a scanned copy of your passport and visa or residence permit depending on your purpose. Make sure to apply for your residence permit 8 weeks before your current visa or residence permit expires. And keep in mind that it will take anywhere between 4 to 6 weeks before you can collect your electronic residence permit from the date of your appointment. However, if you're not a student at RWTH, you'll have to make an appointment at the Ausländeramt at Hackländerstraße, which is diagonally opposite to the Aachen Hauptbahnhof. The contact information is given in the description box below, and make sure to carry all the necessary documents along with you on the day of your appointment. On the other hand, if you're applying for an extension of your residence permit, the procedure and documents remain exactly the same except for your application form. You will have to use the Verlängerungsantrag form, which can be found on the StädteRegion Aachen website, which is also linked in the description box below. Now make sure to apply for the extension of your residence permit 8 weeks prior to your residence permit expiring. And if you're changing universities, or if you're changing from one city to another, or if you're even changing your course of studies in the same university, you will have to apply for a new residence permit. Now get in touch with the Ausländerbehörde as soon as possible in these cases. With that, you should be all set for the next couple of years here in Germany. Viel Erfolg und ich drücke euch die Daumen. Bis zum nächsten Video. Tschüss!